Hello friends, and welcome to Load of Crock's 2-Minute Makes. 2-Minute Makes, recipes where we show you how to do it in 2 minutes or less. Now, for those of you that have been around for a minute, you may remember a little over a year ago, I did this recipe called Mississippi pot roast. And at that time, everybody knew about it, except for me. And then I made it. And it turns out it is a household favorite. It is so easy and it's one of our very favorite meals. So I thought, this has to taste good on other meat, right? Correct. So on this episode of Load of Crock's 2-Minute Makes, we're making Mississippi meatballs in the crock pot. 5 easy ingredients for this. Grab a bag of your favorite frozen meatballs, some banana peppers or pepperoncinis, butter, a packet of brown gravy mix, and a packet of ranch seasoning. In your crock pot, pour in the meatballs. Then after this, you'll add in the brown gravy mix, as well as the ranch seasoning. And after you've got those all in there, you'll grab your pepperoncinis or your banana peppers, throw in a chunk of those, and then add some juice over the top. And then finally, 4 tablespoons of cut up butter over the top. All right, friends, one quick tip. Without the butter, so everything else, after you put that all in, give it up a good mix and then put the butter on top just to make sure that everything is evenly distributed. 2 hours on low and those babies are ready to go. Super great on their own, just as an appetizer. Take them to a gathering, sit down on the couch and eat them all to yourself. Really, honestly, whatever makes you happy. Or also a really easy meal. Weeknight, maybe you've got a lot going on, throw a potato and vegetable with that. Super perfect, super easy. 5 ingredients. Cannot wait for you guys to try these. Such an amazing dish. And speaking of amazing, thanks to all of you that are subscribed and watching our Load of Crock channel. So grateful for all of you. As always, this recipe and other tips and tricks can be found at myloadofcrock.com. So now I feel like the Mississippi tables have turned. Instead of everybody being like, you've heard of Mississippi pot roast, right? Me being like, no. I can say, you've heard of Mississippi meatballs, right? Correct. Check out these Mississippi meatballs in the crock pot.